This paper presents a novel strategy for autonomous visual saliency-aware exploration of unknown environments using aerial robots. The motivation of this work is mapping and exploration applications, where conventional planners tend to treat regions in the environment uniformly, regardless of their visual importance. In the next part, we will briefly explain the concept of visual saliency, as well as the path planning algorithm proposed in this work. The visual saliency model used in this paper is inspired from the human visual attention model, which is very good at defining the most salient spot given a color image. This saliency annotated map will be used for the path planning algorithm, which we will describe next. To explore the environment rapidly while maintaining high observations toward salient areas, we propose a nested, two-layer sampling-based planning algorithm. To verify the proposed approach, we carried out evaluation studies both in simulation and in real experiments. The aerial robot used in our experiments was a hexcopter with its own onboard sensors and computer. All results shown in experiments were processed in real time and on board the aerial robot. The first environment considered in this paper refers to an unknown indoor environment decorated by paintings, colorful boxes, and a mannequin to represent visually salient objects. The robot follows the proposed path planning algorithm to explore the space, and as shown in the final saliency annotated map, all visually salient objects were captured. We also compute the number of viewpoints towards each voxel as a metric to further verify the advantages of our algorithm. As a result, the number of viewpoints towards voxels belonging to salient areas are significantly higher than others. The next experiment was carried out in a machine shop featuring a set of machinery, warning signs, fire extinguishers, and other components that overall lead to a complex environment in terms of visual saliency. Aligned with our intuition, the warning signs and the fire extinguisher attracted the robot's attention, and the planner was able to map the whole environment in detail. Thank you for listening.